I have 3 brand new dirt bikes behind me. I got my 2 little brothers, and I'm gonna be teaching them today how to ride the dirt bikes, seeing as they've never ridden them before. And then on Saturday, we're gonna take them out for a full-fledged desert ride. So we're gonna be going over how to ride. We have the Kayo bikes. The K2 Pro here is what Jack's riding. The K6R is what Tag's riding, and then I have a Honda 250 RX. Let's get into it. Do you guys know how to ride the bikes? Do you know how to start them?
Yes.
Do you guys know how the clutches work?
Yes. Well, yes. The clutch is like you pull it to gear, and then you let go of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And on the beginning, you need to hold the clutch, gear it down, and then very softly let go and do the throttle to make it so you don't like launch it.
Yes, that is correct.
So, we watched some YouTube videos.
Do you guys know how to use this over here?
Yes. Down is first, and then it goes
half click is
2,
neutral.
3, 4, 5.
Yep, and half click between 1 and 2 is neutral.
Is neutral, yeah.
Okay, Tag, you go first.
I've watched my YouTube videos, don't you worry.
You want to move that for you? Thank you. Okay.
So you're gonna wanna move your hand in a little bit, so you don't wanna be like this.
Okay.
Or like this.
Yeah. It's like this, and then
I'd go 2 fingers to start. Pull it all the way in.
pull this.
Yep. Start it up. Key was off.
I know now. I know why now.
I wonder if they don't have any gas on them.
They should be full.
I'm pretty sure they filled them up right just before we left.
They should have filled them all up.
You know, they did say they got this bike in 22 and they haven't sold one since. So this is I don't know if it's been started in like 3 years. You know?
I took off my hoodie.
This is really anticlimactic, isn't
It's
it?
very anticlimactic.
Yeah, kind of unfortunate. Ah.
The clutch lever on this is a little bit too
Soft?
It's a little too hard. I think just loosen it up right here. Because when you start it, it immediately goes.
Oh, sweet. Are you starting it in first?
Okay, I got it now. It was just this clutch lever. So basically this opens up the clutch in simple terms. And the clutch was not pulling far enough.
Oh, so it's still in gear the whole time.
Yeah, so even when you're holding it all the way back here, you're still in gear. Like I was holding it and I was moving around.
Yeah.
So I just loosened it with this thing right here.
This is if we have some technical difficulties.
Your turn.
My turn.
Clutch lever all the way in.
All in. Start this thing.
Start button. Let me start it for you.
The key might not be all the way.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
get it. That does not look very good. Turn that one off, will you? I don't know why that's not running the way it's supposed to. It might just be all the oils on the bike, which is okay.
Which is change them right now or just let them ride for a sec?
Just let it ride for a minute. Just let it warm up. Like the oils are sitting on the motor. So the oils that like kind of develop over time, they'll just smoke. See, the smoke's already gone down a whole bunch.
Yeah.
All right, Tag, let's start with you then.
Me?
Yep. While Jack's bike warms up. Clutch in.
First gear?
First gear. Little bit of throttle. Whoa.
Oh, a little too much.
Switch feet. You always want your right foot on because it's the brake.
Okay.
That was close though.
It's a little better.
It was getting better.
And did I just?
You just didn't have enough. You dumped it too fast.
Yeah, okay.
When you start moving, it doesn't mean you're good.
Yeah.
Like you're only moving like half a mile an hour. You got to be like going.
Okay.
Enough to be able to like have both your feet on and be super comfy.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. So, back?
Just right there. Start it back up. What, the Garbo beans? Just keep...
You're crazy.
Dude, we could like start a friggin' forest fire with that thing. No, you're good.
Held that nice.
Clutch, brake.
Clutch, brake. Yes, I didn't get my foot on. I did it.
You did it.
I did it. It's done. Yeah, very, like truly it is just the most slow thing. And just get to that first point where the throttle is like being used and then just slowly let go of the clutch. Dodge is not getting by very slowly.
Taking tips from the.
Okay, Jack, give your
newbie.
mic to Jack. All right, Jack, this is you.
Yes, thank you.
Pop squat. Okay,
Okay.
left lever all the way in.
Love it.
Yep.
Okay, wait. I just need. Okay. So when I start going and put it in gear, I'm gonna keep this in, right? And then when I start, like when I release it, I'll put a little gas on.
It's kind of together.
Okay.
It's like this. It's like
okay.
you roll and let go.
Okay.
So basically, it needs a lot of power to move. And this, the more the lever is in, the less power it needs to stay on.
Oh wait, say that again.
Just pull this in, you'll feel it.
Okay, got
I
it.
promise. Okay. Now Jack, slowly let out with your left hand so you can feel it. Now kick into gear. So kick into gear. Yep, slowly with your left hand. So that's where it's at, right there. A little bit of gas. That's stupid. It's alright, it's because he listened to all your lessons.
Hey Jack, thanks for taking lessons from the newbie.
Clutch. Clutch. There you go.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So I kept the clutch in the entire time, like halfway in. Is that good or bad?
You want to be able to get it to let all the way out.
Okay, so I should let it all the way out?
Slowly.
Okay.
Slowly. Go that way and make a loop-de-loop.
Well, I'm going to still in gear, aren't I?
Oh, he's going for it. He's going for the whole loop-de-loop. There's a big tree down there.
Massive one's curving.
It like curves into the road.
Oh, brake. See that?
Go again.
Wait, okay. Show me like how fast.
It's just a feeling.
Okay.
It's all just a feeling. Go do it again. Pretty good. You want to keep rolling?
How is it just something with a feeling on how fast you go until you gear?
Yeah, I mean, it's just once you get going a little bit faster, the bike will just stay on without needing the clutch. Yeah.
When you're supposed to gear?
Oh, to switch?
Yeah, like gear from first gear to second gear.
You'll kind of hear it.
It's kind of when it goes pa 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 pa
Knock it up with your left foot.
Okay, so when it kind of goes and then
Just stay in first gear for a minute, though.
Oh my, do you guys see that? Pro already.
Keep going.
Okay, wait, like,
So hey, once you start going a little bit faster, you can switch into second gear.
yeah, I need to learn how to do that.
And that's when you're all the way up the clutch,
Okay,
and you're gonna pull in the clutch while you're moving.
okay.
You're gonna stick your left foot underneath the clutch lever down there.
Whole thing.
You're gonna pull the whole thing up.
And am I gonna keep on the throttle or let
No.
off?
So you kind of like let off the throttle, pull the clutch in. Okay.
Okay,
I would pull the clutch in and let off the throttle kind of at the same time.
okay.
And then you're gonna pop into second gear, and then you're gonna slowly let back on.
It's like, okay,
You can't just pop it and then let the clutch go again. Otherwise, it'll be the same thing as when you first started, except you're gonna be going way faster.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Got it.
Go for it.
Okay. Oh.
Damn.
The odds of one of them just eating it while we're doing this little activity is so high.
Think they need helmets?
Mom and Dad just left. It's fine.
I think he might have gone down over there.
Gotcha.
Jack's nice with the clutch.
He is nice with the clutch, isn't he?
He's nice with the
Kind of took off that second time, huh?
He did. He almost whiskeyed it. That would have been so funny if he just lost it.
Funny, but it would have been like way crappy. Dodge and see you try to get on yours.
Oh yeah, dude, you still have your bike.
Here we go. You wanna go rip around the yard, Jack? Ah! Honda, baby. Oh, it died. It died. No.
So it seems like everybody's doing pretty good. Jack picked it up a hair bit faster than Tag. I think Jack's bike was a little bit easier. The like power needed to move is a lot better on that bike, so you don't have to have as much finesse with the clutch. I didn't tell either of them that though because I didn't want either of them to talk trash to each other about it. But after, getting the Kayos to run, they've actually now run super solid. So we're gonna test them fully on Saturday. We're still not to the second gear level with these guys. Oh, he's in second gear.
Wait, so second gear is just, okay, I'm going, I pull the clutch in, should let go of the throttle, gear up, do the same thing with going very slow and very slow.
Yes. Perfect.
Should
Exactly.
I try it?
Go for it, dude.
So it's the same thing with starting.
Same thing with starting.
Very slow, very slow.
Yep, very slow, very slow.
No.
Look, dude, you already got mud on it.
I did?
Like you're ripping.
Where? Oh, the gate was closed over there, so I did a triple UE. That's too big.
I have a question now. Okay, so I put it in second gear.
Oh, wait for him to go.
My toes hurt very badly.
From what?
Fans are not the greatest shoes.
All right, I'm listening.
Okay, so like when I come to a stop, I'm in second gear. I just like shift down all the way.
You don't really have to.
I just
This, no matter what gear you're in, if you're holding the clutch,
will stop.
like if you think about it, like watch. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, no different if this is being held in. But I can't start going in fourth gear.
Have to start going in first gear.
You could maybe do it in second, but it's really based on your speed. And so it's easiest to start in first gear.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Rookie mistake.
Yeah, no kidding. This bike keeps dying.
Well, my bike's in prime condition. Release the clutch.
So you can see we're still learning, but Saturday's gonna be a big day.
We're always learning.
Jack, what are your thoughts on Saturday?
It's gonna be a good time.
Yep, that's all he needs to say.
Yeah.
I think my dad's gonna come to Crip, and he's just gonna drive a Razor. So we'll have 4 bikes and a Razor going out on Saturday. So that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Should we just wrap it up here?
What's up, everyone, guys?
well, might
Today
as
with
well.
today's video.
Yeah, give us a wrap up.
So today we learned to use the clutch and dirt biking. And
Wrap up the ending of the video.
thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button.
Keep going. Rolling. You're rolling.
And what's
Here, you want to put this on?
Yeah, I gotta put this on.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, okay. What are the 3 buttons?
Make sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you on Saturday.
Say it one more time.
Just roll with it.
Yeah.
You know?
Thanks for watching today's videos. Make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you on Saturday.
Boom, baby.
Man,
You look good in the hat.
I'm gonna make you famous.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Give me some. Us famous.
Yeah, us.
All right, let's go see if the kid died.